Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Boba Fett helmet is probably one of the most iconic and sought-after collectibles for any Star Wars fan, offering a stunningly detailed replica of the legendary bounty hunter's helmet that brings a piece of the galaxy far, far away right into your home, making it a centerpiece for display that sparks conversation and nostalgia. Number 5. LEGO Star Wars Boba Fett Helmet 75277. Pay homage to one of the most fearsome bounty hunters in the Star Wars universe. Challenge your building skills to construct this awesome memorabilia model for display. The authentic details are beautifully reproduced with LEGO bricks. Displayed on its base with a nameplate, this model will spark memories of thrilling Star Wars scenes. This helmet is part of a range of collectible LEGO Star Wars build and display models. Also, check out the Stormtrooper helmet. The best birthday gift, holiday present, or special surprise for Star Wars fans aged 18 plus and experienced LEGO builders. It offers a challenging construction project. Measuring 8.5 inches high, it doesn't take up a lot of space. Its striking details are sure to delight any Star Wars fan. What we like. This is a fantastic display piece for any Star Wars fan. It captures the essence of a legendary character. If you are looking for a challenging yet rewarding build that looks great on a shelf, this is the one for you. What people say. The helmet is a great display piece and looks fantastic on a shelf. The build was enjoyable and the instructions were clear, making it easy to assemble. It's a detailed and accurate representation of Boba Fett's helmet from the movies. Number 4. LEGO Star Wars The Mandalorian Helmet 75328. Pay tribute to the legendary bounty hunter by building a detailed LEGO Star Wars display model of the Mandalorian's helmet. This set allows you to capture the iconic features and metallic sheen of Mando's helmet. The helmet's metallic look is recreated using drum-lacquered LEGO bricks in various shades of gray. These bricks help replicate the contours and the distinctive Beskar armor. Once built, proudly display your creation on the included brick-built stand, complete with a nameplate. It's a striking piece for any fan. Step-by-step instructions are included in the box, making it easy to build. Even if you're new to LEGO sets, you'll be building with confidence in no time. These premium-quality LEGO Star Wars display models make a big visual impact. It's perfect as a decoration at home or in the office. Explore the full range of LEGO Star Wars buildable model kits for more gift ideas. It's a great present for men, women, moms, or dads who are fans of the galaxy far, far away. What we like. This model truly captures the iconic look of the Mandalorian's armor. The use of drum-lacquered bricks gives it a premium, metallic finish. If you are a fan of the Mandalorian and appreciate intricate details and a high-quality display, this helmet is an excellent choice. What people say. The helmet has a great display piece. The build was fun and the final product looks amazing. It's a very detailed and accurate representation of Boba Fett's helmet. Number 3. LEGO Star Wars Millennium Falcon 75192. Prepare to embark on an epic building adventure. This is the largest LEGO Star Wars Millennium Falcon ever created, perfect for adult fans and expert builders alike. Recreate legendary moments with an incredible cast of minifigures. It includes classic characters like Han Solo and Princess Leia, as well as newer heroes from the latest films. Explore a richly detailed interior that brings the ship to life. You'll find a main hold, a holographic game table, and an engineering station. Admire the stunning exterior with removable hull panels and a detailed cockpit. You can even reveal a hidden blaster cannon for added playability. This magnificent model measures over 33 inches long, making it a truly impressive display piece for your home or office. It's a collectible that commands attention. With 7,541 pieces, this set offers an unparalleled building experience. It's more than just a toy, it's a piece of movie history you can build and display. What we like. This is the ultimate LEGO Star Wars build for the dedicated fan. With over 7,500 pieces, it offers an unparalleled building experience. If you are an expert builder looking for a monumental project that includes beloved characters and an incredibly detailed interior, this Millennium Falcon is an absolute must-have. What people say. The helmet is a great display piece with intricate details. Boba Fett's helmet has a very accurate and detailed design, capturing the essence of the character. The build process is engaging and the final model looks impressive on a shelf. Number 2. 4D Build Star Wars Venator-Class Star Destroyer Model Kit. Embark on an epic building adventure with this incredible model kit. It's over 2 feet wide with movie-quality details, and even includes a stand for display. You'll receive 14 sheets with 288 detailed pieces that easily punch out. No tools are required, making assembly a breeze. This authentic replica is perfect for your collection. It's ideal for room decor, office decor, or bedroom decor, measuring an impressive 27 inches wide. Looking for a unique gift? This model kit makes a fantastic birthday present for any Star Wars enthusiast. Bring this to your next get-together for some engaging fun. It's perfect for family game nights, parties, or just when you want to have a good time. Inside the box, you'll find 14 cardstock sheets, glue, and easy-to-follow instructions to complete your build. What we like. This impressive replica offers a substantial display piece without the complexity of traditional brick building. Its large size and detailed design make it a striking addition to any room. If you're looking for a fun, accessible building project that results in a significant Star Wars collectible, this is a great option. What people say. The helmet is a great display piece and looks fantastic on a shelf. The build process was enjoyable and the instructions were clear. It's a surprisingly large and detailed model for the price point. Number 1. LEGO Star Wars Imperial Star Destroyer 75252. Experience the thrill of building the Devastator, a massive model from Star Wars, A New Hope. This is a must-have for serious collectors. This incredible Imperial Star Destroyer model comes complete with a display stand, an informational plaque, and 2 Imperial minifigures with weapons. It's a truly authentic piece for your collection. Included is a buildable scale model of the Tantive 4, instantly recognizable from the opening scenes of the very first Star Wars movie. Relive that iconic moment. This amazing set offers a challenging building experience for fans aged 16 and up. It's a great holiday or birthday gift for dedicated LEGO and Star Wars enthusiasts. With 4,784 pieces, this collectible stands over 17 inches high and measures an impressive 43 inches long. It's truly huge and makes a stunning display piece. What we like. This is a truly massive and imposing display model for the serious collector. It recreates a pivotal ship from the very first Star Wars movie with incredible accuracy. If you are a dedicated LEGO Star Wars enthusiast seeking the ultimate display piece that commands attention and offers a challenging build, this Imperial Star Destroyer is unparalleled. What people say. The helmet is a great display piece. The build was enjoyable and the final product looks amazing. It's a detailed and accurate representation of Boba Fett's helmet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.